So I've taught hundreds of people how to do an aerial. And today I want to walk you guys through a progression to get the aerial and some tips and tricks to get it on both sides, as well as how to do it well. Aerial is not a hard trick. I'm going to show you how to do it. The aerial is a cool trick. It has two really important parts. The first part is you're going to lean your body over and kick using your side butt and using a lot of your obliques to lift your body into the air. Once your body is in the air, you kind of want to switch your legs, drive one leg down over the other to catch your body. The technique for doing the aerial is as simple as pull with that side butt slash abductor, use your obliques, lean, switch, land. But just me saying it is one thing, doing it is a whole nother. Let me show you guys how to start from doing nothing to doing that. Dang, I am sweaty. So there's 3 drills that I want to show you guys to take you from nothing to aerial. The first drill is going to be a leg switch. Dip your chest down, let it go low, and then switch your legs. It looks just like this. Now, that might not be the easiest to do if you're really struggling with flexibility, so give yourself some time, give yourself some grace, stretch, do some conditioning, and come on back to it, and it'll feel a little bit better. Oh, man, I am sweating. So, second drill is going to be to do a cartwheel, but very lightly on the hands, if at all. You're going to do it really way over to the side, so super gymnasticsy cartwheel like this, head, feet. Super trickery aerial like this, head, feet. What I want you to do, almost like on the butterfly axis. You'll notice my arms didn't do much, but they were there to catch me just in case I could not go all the way over. So, the last drill that I want to show you guys for your aerials is a weird drill. It is a dance almost kind of thing. You're going to kick your legs side to side, back and forth, while using the balls of your feet to bounce back and forth. This drill will get you so much stronger. It will help so much with doing the aerial. And if you want to build the muscles to do aerial on both sides, this is the drill. It does look silly. So yeah, those 3 drills will help your aerial a ton and take you from doing nothing to doing an aerial if you take your time with every single one. In this section, I want to show you guys what it looks like genuinely most of the time to learn the aerial. What you see me do in those clips is not normally how people learn aerial. I've done this for genuinely 10 plus years of aerialing. To do it a little bit better, it just takes time, but this is kind of what my progression looked like. Next, conditioning drills. To do the aerial like you see me do it takes a lot of ab. And I mean a lot of ab. Having a strong core is essential for tricking. And I push it out, bring it in, make it tiny. Do all the things with my core, and developing this is crucial to doing all of that. Little drills. I know it looks silly, but do this 200 times and you will have far stronger obliques. Now, I'm sweating like crazy. Make sure you're eating, drinking water, and doing all the other things you need to be doing to be strong as well. But that little oblique, come on, there we go. That oblique thing I did, super helpful. The other thing that's really important is your hip flexors and your adductors, that side butt I was talking about earlier. This drill right here. Oh yeah. A bunch of these. This will help you develop your glute, develop the side of your leg, everything. Holy crap. It is so hot. The other thing, it's like your obliques, your side butt, your legs are also super important. Having strong, powerful legs that can take some impact. Being able to go up on the balls of your feet and move them around. This little thing I'm doing right now is a great, phenomenal mobility drill. Just walking around in that nice classic squat. So I did classical Taekwondo for about 8 years and sparred with all the heavy gear. So I'm pretty used to heat, but it's a very hot day. If you have any other questions on aerial, please leave them in the comments. I want to hit them up as best I can. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please, there are other aerial tutorials that I've made in the past. Feel free, go back in time, use those. There is more aerials and aerial tutorials out there than ever, so you can learn this trick. It is not impossible, and you can do it. So keep trying, keep learning aerial. I believe in you. Oh, I need a shower and a bunch of food because I burnt way more calories than I was expecting.